Kiddos, welcome back to another motherfucking video. So if you are new, make sure you subscribe to my channel, girl. You already know my channel is Litty Titty, and you already know the facts. You already know this video finna be something lit, finna be something that you want to see. So be dedicated and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, all right? And also shop $80 vote, and also follow me on the gram. You feel me? So yeah, this is a hustle life video, a vlog or whatever. Today I'm gonna be creating, but I have my own like little photography little corner in my room, but I'm gonna be upgrading it today, and I'm gonna go get some extra stuff for it. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. My lights are coming today. I ordered two softbox lights from Amazon. Link in the description box below. They're supposed to be arriving today. I paid for fast shipping, so that should better arrive today. Yeah, it says arrive today by 8 p.m. So in the meantime, we're gonna go out. My look is so sticky. In the meantime, we're gonna go out, get some backdrops, go get some food. Maybe I go get me a little crop top or something. I don't know. But yeah, in the meantime, we're gonna go out. Yeah. So I'm all ready. You feel me? I got the fresh new shirt. This shirt is wavy. Some leggings, my Gucci slides. You can't see them. But yeah, I'm ready to go out. Like, it's raining today. I think it rained earlier. I'm not gonna bring an umbrella though. That's too much damn work. But I don't got no earring. I wear AirPods, so you're not gonna tell. But yeah, let's go. Finally, it's like cold outside. It's 70 degrees, which is the best motherfucking weather because, bitch, it was too damn hot. I was tired of hearing this damn airplane. Yeah, as I was saying, it was getting too damn hot. I was tired of hearing hot girl summer. Like, it's so annoying. But my forehead low-key looked big today. Like, I have a forehead today because this wig was like low-key kind of small, so my real forehead is showing, so say hello to that. But yeah, it's nice 7 degrees weather, which is good. Ooh, what the fuck, which is good. But yeah, welcome to the train. Regular degular smuggler day. Far below, because they the only place that have the tripods for my phone, and the other one I broke, so this is what it looks like. Far below, I got this chalkboard, like this chalkboard thing. I'm gonna show y'all when I go home. But the copyright is OD, so I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get outside. I'm finally in a freaking fabric store downtown. So this is basically how it looks. And I just need to get backdrops. I have black and white already. I want to get like a pink backdrop. So what I basically do is I get like a stretchy fabric like this to use as a backdrop. I don't like OD and get some fancy shit. Really pretty. I would actually like make something with that orange, but I don't need it. That green is nice too. There, that's a backdrop. That's the perfect color.
Yard?
Yeah. How long is 1 yard?
Okay, I tell you a little discount.
Okay. I'm finally home, y'all. This is why I don't like vlogging, bro. It just, people in New York is just so irritating. You gotta be so irritating, like, especially vlogging in Manhattan. Hell no. Downtown, I can't do anywhere crowded. But here's the smartphone tripod that I got. I got it in red. I'm about to set it up right now because I don't feel like holding my phone on. Let's put this up. It's a cheap little tripod, but honestly, it does the damn job. Okay. I could get a whatchamacallit, like a iPhone stand for my ring light, but I just always forget to get that shit. Like, why? So you just tighten it up. The ice cream. Oh Lord, put that back in. Then I just clip it on my phone and set it up. Yeah, that ice cream truck outside is OD, bro. Like, I know y'all hear it. Like, son, it's 70 degrees outside. What kid want goddamn ice cream? Alright, so it's situated. Now, my lights, my softbox lights still, let me put this down a little bit so y'all can see my fit. I don't know why I'm all the way up there. Softbox lights still didn't come. Like, I don't know what's taking them forever. But, yeah, it's supposed to be coming by 8 p.m. So, I'm gonna just wait patiently. But in the meantime, instead of just waiting and, you know, record when I get my lights so I can set up my studio.
Let's do a little haul.
So, I went to Five Below and I saw this, like, chalk calendar and I was like, I need that. So, I don't know where I'm gonna put it because that wall over there is kind of crowded. But yeah, here it is. Chalk calendar. And somebody asked me like when I'm gonna have a separate room for my business. I'm gonna do that when I get my own house. I'm not gonna just have it's just too much. Like when I have my own place, that's when everything is gonna be good. Like my walls in my place gonna be pink. Period. Pink everywhere. Pink, white, black, purple, nurple, all that. But yeah. So I gotta plan out my day. It comes with chalk, right? Oh yes it do. Let me unravel it. Did they put this is toilet tissue, bitch? What? But anyways, my monthly calendar. At least they gave me like the nails and stuff. Thank God. Ooh, I hate the sound of scratching on a chalkboard. Oh my God. But yeah. So damn, what's today's date? I gotta put the date on it and everything. That's a lot of work, low key. But yeah, monthly calendar of what month this is? August. So this looks so dyslexic. Why? What the fuck? But yeah. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. But yeah, I love this. I would definitely be putting this up in my room somewhere. I'm not finna plan nothing out right now because this not that type of video, you know? I'm gonna do that for a separate video, you know? But yeah, that's the haul for today. And this is the hot pink fabric that I got. Y'all seen in the video, I was like, 2 yards for $10. That's kind of a lot for this basic thing. But he said I give you a discount, so give me 2 yards for $6. Okay. I love this. This is so cute. Okay, now I'm just gonna be waiting on my softbox lights to come so I can set up my studio. In the meantime, let me clean up my room a little bit. Thanks. So the package finally freaking came. So as you can see my dyslexic mannequin over there, don't mind that. I need to put her somewhere else, put some damn clothes on her. But unboxing video. Wow. I thought it would be in a bigger box than this. It's not. So here's one, 2 little boxes. Another little box and this, and it comes with directions which have literally 5 words in it. Like, what? This is not even English. It just say what it comes with. It don't say directions. Hello. Useless. Let's see what these are. Ooh, don't want that before. This is why I need another light. Because I had to be really close to my phone with this ring light for it to get good lighting. So I just put my regular stuff a little bit. Oh, it comes with the stayers, of course. I'm used to these. Just gotta unscrew that. Open it up. Like that. Ow! What the? Oh, these nails hurt so bad. else comes with it? Oh, my toes. Whew. Okay. So we got these little boxes. Let's see what this is about. These are the watts. That is so good. Oh, it comes with like an extra one. Oh, it's on my shirt.
Attack!
Okay. Wait. I'm so confused. I'm going to unscrew this. Put it on here. Tighten it up. Then this goes down. But you see what I'm talking about? Like, do I have it the wrong way? Yeah, YouTube is. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I went on YouTube and I found the resolution. What I had to do, let me bring this down here. I'm not good at putting stuff together like on camera. But this black thing, I had to push it down so it could stay like that. So right now, I'm gonna just make this stand really sturdy. So these are both of the lights. As you can see, they are huge. I'm glad I didn't get the third light that goes like over your head. That would be so much. Oh my god, especially in my little room. Here are both of the lights. I'm gonna show you. Here are both of the lights. They are very big. They actually look very good. So let me show you guys, before we turn the lights on anything, we're gonna focus in this area right here. As I said, dyslexic mannequin with the 35F boobs. Don't mind her, okay? So the only light I have on right now is my ring light, which is pretty good. But honey, I need light to be coming from me from side to side everywhere. Down here is where I keep my wig head, you know, the display and everything. We're gonna move her somewhere else because she's taking up a lot of space. So basically, this is my backdrop thing. I got this from, where did I get this from? A website called Lime Studio or something like that. It came with the ring lights and it came with umbrella lights when I first like got any technical stuff. This, you can push it up as far as you want, as low as you want. I'm gonna just push it down a little bit more so y'all guys can see it. Here I got 2 yards. 2 yards is good. You don't have to go over that because Jesus Christ. Because you know this is what you got. Down making a YouTube video, this is a good backdrop. Now I will be using this to be like taking photos from the waist up, not full photos, but if I do take a photo, it'll be up to here. So I'm tall, I'm gonna have to bring it up a little bit. I probably can go up too, so I'm good with taking like a half body picture. What I'll probably have to do is, let me take this down. Probably this way would be good, but see the thing, it doesn't stay that way unless I have some clips. So let me try actually putting some clips on here. Voila! So all I did, of course I would get some better looking clips, but it doesn't matter because who's really gonna see that? The backdrop is there. It's staying pretty good. So now I can do photos, full photos. So basically the softbox light is on my left, the other softbox light is on my right, and then my ring light is in front of me. But yeah, that's another reason why I got these softbox lights, because I want to get into photography and taking my own product pictures, modeling my own stuff. So this lighting is so perfect. It's kind of like irritating my eyes a little bit, probably because I have them so close to me. I just want to really give you guys of how the lights look. So the lights will be linked in the description box below. As I told y'all guys, I have pink backdrops, white and black. This is basically all you need. Let me show you guys what I'm sitting on. I'm sitting on a regular little stoop. I usually sit on my my chair that can recline and stuff. The brightness on my phone too. I focus my phone on my face with the AE lock. And basically with the AE lock, it focuses on your face and you can put the brightness up. So that is helping also a big part. I encourage you guys to do your own photography, your own model, your own products. Okay, do your own thing, and I can't wait for you guys to see the new remodel of my website. It's gonna look good. This is not really a rebranding, it's just like me fixing up my website. But yeah, you can still purchase from me. It just, I don't like how my website looking right now. It's very basic, very not me, and I need to fix it up to make it look professional. And I don't need to pay nobody because I am creative, honey. But yeah, this is basically it for the video. I will see you guys on the next one. My next video, I'm so excited because I have a special video for all of my bosses, all of my hustlers. I'm giving back to you guys and doing a special series, so make sure you stay tuned. That video will be up tomorrow. I love you though, babies, all so much. Make sure you subscribe, like this video for more, and don't worry, I will be showing you guys how to take pictures and stuff now that I have my full lights. You know, this is lights on a budget. I literally got every light from Amazon, girl. Like, save you some coin or whatever. But yeah, you feel me? So yeah, thank you for watching. Show some love, and I'm out here.